All right, today I'm going to show you how to make cheesy ranch ramen noodles. All right, people ask me like, what do I like to add to my ramen noodles? All right, I like to add a lot of things, but today I'm going to have cheesy ranch ramen noodles. Now, what I did with the ramen noodles, right? You see this right here. I cooked them, added the seasoning pack, then drained almost all of the water out. You see there's not much water in there. And so now I'm going to make cheesy ranch ramen noodles. All right, so now that it's drained, I'm going to add the cheese. You see I'm going to add the cheese to it. All of the cheese that's in here. So I'm going to take my paper towel, add the cheese. Then I'm going to take some ranch, right? And then I'm going to pour some ranch, maybe a couple of tablespoons of ranch. And then I'm going to take a fork and I'm going to stir it up. All right? Stir it up. Now, a lot of you are like, well, the cheese is not melted. Okay, you have a point. You know what? I'm going to add a little bit more cheese. All right? Add a little bit more cheese to it. The cheese, people are going to be like, the cheese is not melted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in the microwave for about 45 seconds to a minute to melt the cheese. All right? All right, let's stir it up, okay? 2 and 1. All right, after about a minute, I'm going to take it out. Bring it over here. Oh, look at that there. That is cheesy ranch ramen noodle. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness. Try this out. Tell me what you think. See if it's worth it. Thanks a lot.